Students, now page number 41. Try triangles. Both the big triangles in this rectangle have same area. You can see there is a rectangle, in that we have two triangles, and both of them, blue and red, have same area. But this look very different, and as you can see that there are two triangles having same area, but they look different. They does not look the same. The blue triangle is half of the big rectangle. Area of the big rectangle is 20 square centimeter. So the area of the blue triangle is dash square centimeter. See, it says blue triangle is half of the big rectangle. This is the rectangle and this is a half of it. Now area of the big rectangle is 20. Area of rectangle will be 20. So the area of blue triangle is dash square centimeter. So what we have to do? We have to do half of 20, which will be like this. 20 divided by 2, which gives us, I'll show you in textbook on, I'll show you in rough book only. You have to write this in CW. 20 divided by 2. Now this will be 2 tens are 20, so we will do 2 tens are, answer will be 10. Now with another method, 20 divided by 2. 2 ones are will be 2 and 2 minus 2 will be 0. 0 down, 0 and 0 will be up. So answer will be 10. You have to write this in CW. Now next one. And what about the red triangle? In it there are two halves of the different rectangles. See, you can see that there is a triangle. This is the rectangle, but it is divided into two halves. Now you find the area of two rectangles Sadiq is talking about. What is the area of red triangle? Explain. Now what we have to do is, we have to find out area of this red triangle. Now first of all we will find out area of this orange rectangle, and then after we will find area of green rectangle. So for that, as there are two rectangles, now we will find out how many squares are there. 1, 2, 3. So we will write 3 over here, and 1, 2, 3, 4. So we will write 4 over here. 4 threes will be 12. So this will be 12 square centimeter area of an orange rectangle. Now next one, 1, 2. So we will write 2. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 into 4 will be 8. 8 square centimeter area of green rectangle. Now we have to find out this area of red triangle. So for that, what we will do is, see, you can see that this is orange one and this is half, this triangle is in half of the orange one. So what we will do is divide. Area of an orange rectangle was 12 square centimeter. So area of orange portion of triangle is equal to 12 divided by 2, because this one is in half. So 12 divided by 2 will be 6. 2 6 are 12. So 6 square centimeter will be the answer for orange portion. And now area of green portion of triangle. This will be 8 divided by 2, because this one is also in half. We have 8 square centimeter as total and triangle is in half part. So 8 divided by 2 gives 4. 4 square centimeter. Now total area of red triangle is equal to 6 plus 4, which will be 10 square centimeter. This will be the answer. You have to write this in CW. Litho will be provided, in which everything will be written in detail. This is just for explanation. Next page, page number 42. Yes, you are right. And you know what? You can draw many more triangles of area 10 square centimeter in this rectangle. Try drawing them. It means you can draw many triangles in this one. Help Sadiq in finding some more such triangles. Draw at least 5 more. Now complete the shape. Suruchi drew 2 sides of the shape. He asked Asif to complete the shape with 2 more sides, so that it has area of 10 square centimeter. This is the shape drawn by Suruchi, which is half, and it has 2 sides. Now she asked Asif to complete the shape, and he completed it with 2 more sides and such that the area is 10 square centimeter. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This will be 8, this will be 9, and this will be 10. So this is a shape which consists of 10 square centimeter. Now next one. How did you do this? Oh, that's easy. If you look at the green area, it is 4 square centimeter. See, if you look at this area, this will be 1, 2, this will be 3, and this will be 4. It has 4 square centimeter. Below, it is the yellow area of 6 square centimeter. So the area of my shape is 10 square centimeter. If this one is 4, this must be of 6 if we want 10 square centimeter. So this is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and this half and half will be 6. So this is 6 square centimeter. Is he correct? Discuss. Explain how the green area is 4 square centimeter and the yellow area is 6 square centimeter. This is what I have explained to you. Now next one, page number 43. Oh, I thought of doing it differently. If you draw like this, the area is still 10 square centimeter. Now let us find out if this shape is of 10 square centimeter or not. So this will be 1, 2, wait, I will write with the pencil. This will be 1, this will be 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This will both be 7, this both will be 8, this both will be 9, and this both will be 10. Yes, this shape is still of 10 square centimeter. Is Suruchi correct? How much is the blue area? Explain. Now we have to find out what is the area of blue colored portion. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be 5 and this will be 6. So answer will be 6 square centimeter. You can write this in your textbook. Now, can you think of some other ways of completing the shape? Can you draw such a shape? It means a shape consisting 10 square centimeter with another pattern. Try some other ways yourself. Now ask your friends at home to solve this. Now next one, practice time. This is one of the sides of the shape. Complete the shape so that its area is 4 square centimeter. See, this is the shape and it has we can say 1 square centimeter. Now we have to complete it in such a way that its area will be 4 square centimeter. So we are going to draw a shape like this. This will be 1, this will be 2, this will be 3, just a second, and we will draw it like this. This will be 1, this will be 2, this will be 3, and this will be 4. This both are half, so this both will be 4. This is a shape we have made with 4 square centimeter. Now next one, two sides of a shape are drawn here. Complete the shape by drawing 2 more sides so that its area is less than 2 square centimeter. So for this, what we will do, this is 1, and we have to draw such that its area is less than 2 square centimeter. So what we will do is, we will not let it touch this 2 sides at the bottom. This will be our shape. Now page number 44. Here is a rectangle of area 20 square centimeter. First one is, draw one straight line in this rectangle to divide it into 2 equal triangles. What is the area of each triangles? See, we have a rectangle and we have to draw one line and divide it into half. So we will draw a line like this. You can draw it with the help of scale and pencil. Now this is one straight line, and what is the next question? What is the area of each of the triangles? See, if rectangle is 20, then one triangle will be its half. It means it will be 20 divided by 2. See, this will be 20 divided by 2. 2 tens will be 20. So answer will be 10. You can write it over here. Now next one. Draw one straight line in this rectangle to divide it into 2 equal rectangles. What is the area of each of the smaller rectangle? See, I will draw. See, here we have a rectangle which consists of 20 square centimeter. Now what we have to do is, draw one straight line in this rectangle to divide it into 2 equal rectangles. So we will divide it over here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at fifth one we will divide 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Over here we will divide. This will be first rectangle and this will be second rectangle. And area will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Area will be 10 each. Like this. Now next one, draw 2 straight lines in this rectangle to divide it into one rectangle and 2 equal triangles. Now we have to draw 2 straight lines in this rectangle to divide it into one rectangle and 2 equal triangles. Now see, we have to draw 2 straight lines. So we will draw one line like this, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This will be first line. And now another straight line we will draw like this. So these are 2 equal triangles and this is one rectangle. Now in this we don't have to find out area. So this will be third one. You have to draw this 1, 2 and 3. This one is first one, second one and third one in CW. Okay. Now what is the area of rectangle? What is the area of rectangle? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Area of rectangle is equal to 10 square centimeter, and area of each triangle is equal to 5. This because this both are equal. 10 divided by 2, which will be 5 square centimeter. Page number 44, puzzles with 5 squares. Measure the side of small square on the squared paper on page 45. Make as many shapes as possible using 5 such square. 3 are drawn for you. Page number 45. we have three shapes which consist of 5 squares. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now we have to draw few another shapes, but they must be of 5 squares only. So this is the first shape I am drawing here. See, this 1, 2, 3, 4 and this one will be of 5 squares. 5 squares. Now over here 1, 2, 3, 4 and this one will be of 5 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now another one. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Like this. Now another one. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is another one. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now another one over here. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now another one. 1, 2, 3, 4. And over here, fifth one. Now next one. 1 over here and 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. This is next shape. So we have drawn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shapes till now. Now next one. Next one will be like this. 1 over here and 1, 2, 3, 4 over here. So again this will be 5 shapes. Now next one. 1, 2, 3, 4 over here and fifth one over here. This will be 5 shapes. Now over here. One shape over here and 1, 2, 3, 4 over here. Again this will be of 5 shapes. Now one shape over here and 1, 2, 3, 4 over here. So we have drawn how many shapes? How many different shapes can you draw? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. So we will write answer over here 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11. Which shape has the longest perimeter? How much and how dash centimeter? Now, which shape has the longest perimeter? How much and dash centimeter? See, if you have drawn shapes like this, then also it will be okay, and you can draw shapes on your own. So, which shape has the longest perimeter? If you are drawing different shapes, then answer will be different as per your shape. Which shape has the shortest perimeter? How much and dash. What is the area of shapes? Dash square centimeter. This will be simple because answer will be 5 square centimeter. We have drawn all the shapes using 5 square centimeters, so answer will be 5. Page number 46. Did you get all the 12 shapes using 5 squares? All 12 shapes are arranged here to make a rectangle. This is 10 by 6 rectangle as there are 10 rows and 6 columns. You will be surprised to know that there are more than 2,000 ways in which these shapes make 10 by 6 rectangle. This is the rectangle, and in this we have 5 shapes. We have shapes drawn using 5 squares. You have to count and write if all the shapes are of 5 square centimeter or not. Draw all the 12 shapes on the sheet of the cardboard and cut them. Try to arrange 12 shapes in some other way to make a 10 by 6 triangle. Could you do it? Now this is just an activity. You have to cut this and make a rectangle in another way and not in this same way. Try another puzzle. You have to make a 5 by 12 rectangle. See, this is 10 by 6. How? Over here we have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Over here we have 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is 10 by 6. In such a way you have to make a rectangle of 5 by 12 and arrange it like this. So this will be activity on page number 46. Page number 47. Here is a chessboard. Play this game with your partner with one set of 12 shapes. The first player picks one shape from the set and puts it on the board covering any 5 squares. The other player picks another shapes and put it on the board, but it must not overlap the first shape. So what we have to do, the shapes that we have drawn previously, we have to cut it out and take. There will be 2 players and we have to put those shapes in this chessboard. But condition is you cannot put one shape on the another. Keep taking turns until one of you can't go further. Whoever puts the last piece wins. It means whoever puts the last piece will win. Make your own time. Remember the floor patterns in Math Magic Book 4, pages 117 to 119. You had to choose the correct tile which could be repeated to make a pattern so that there are no gaps left. This we have studied in standard 4. What we have to do is you have to choose the correct tile pattern given between these pages, but the condition is which could be repeated to make a pattern so that there are no gaps left. There must not be any gaps between those. Page number 48. Ziri went to a shop and was surprised to see that the different designs of the tiles on the floor. See, a person, Ziri, went to the shop and he sees this different kind of floor patterns. Can you find the tile which is repeated to make each of this floor pattern? Circle a tile in each pattern. What you have to do is you have to circle a tile which you think is the correct one to know that these tiles are put in a pattern. Now next one. After looking at the patterns, Ziri wanted to make her own yellow tile. You too make a tile this way. Now Ziri is making a tile. Take a piece of cardboard or thick paper. Draw a square of size 3 cm on it. This is 3 cm square paper. Draw a triangle on any one of the sides of this square. Now you have to draw a triangle. Draw another triangle of the same side on another side of the square, but this time draw it inside the square. Now you have to draw inside. Now cut this shape from the cardboard. Your tile is ready. What you have to do is you have to cut the triangle's shape and this tile is ready. Now page number 49. Make a pattern using your tile. Trace the shape to repeat it on a page, but remember there must be no gaps between them. Ziri made a pattern using her yellow tiles. You know the area of her tile. See, Ziri made pattern using the previous tile. How many tiles has she used? What is the area of floor pattern Ziri has made here? See, this is one tile. This is second, this is third, and this is fourth. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. So she has used 12 tiles. What is the area of floor pattern Ziri has made here? Now for finding area we have to do multiplication, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 into 1, 2, 3, which will be 12. Now practice time. Ziri tried to make some other tiles. She started with a square of 2 cm side and made shapes like this. You can see few shapes over here. Look at this carefully and find out which of this shape will tile a floor without any gap. Discuss what is the area of these shapes. Make designs in your copy by tiling those shapes. Now create your own new tiles out of a square. Can you do the same with the triangle? Try doing out. Now this one is cancelled. We are not doing this. So this is chapter number 3.